Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to create a text hanging effect or letters hanging effect on your Canva like this. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to create this hanging text effect on your Canva, I just going to show in this video. So I just going to create this same text effect here. So first you just need to insert the text, any text, and just type the letter you just need to. For an example, if you just need to type as top, you just need to split the text. So try to use a capital word so you can just create the effect beautifully. And just need to change this to font should be changed to the capital font, and also the font should be bold, so it will be so useful. So I just going to duplicate this and just going to have the next letter like name, and next will be M, and then we just need to single another letter is E. Okay, so after creating the all letters, you just need to adjust the letters and just need to have a random position, so it will be so useful to create this hanging text effect. So I'm just going to resize those text so look like this. Okay, then you just need to select the background color. So here you can just choose any color, so I just go with the green. So it's so important to choose the background color. After, you just need to go to the elements, click on the shapes option. So just click on the circle, then just choose the same background color you just used for this. I just use the green, so just create the circle with a green color and just place the circle in the text. So keep the position back. Okay, so now we just add the circle to every letter. So in order to create the hanging effect, so I just make on every letter, then go to the elements and just pick up any line. Just click on the line. So now we just place a line on the circle, it automatically attach it, and just go to the top. So now just make a duplicate of the line, just attach this to the top and just position it on the wherever you just need it. So the same process should be repeated for all the letters, so it will be create the hanging effect. So we can see how it's just going to position every letters here. And if you just need to have a try to be a natural, just make a letter should be slightly crossed, so it will be look like it's hanging. So the M should be slightly crossed and the E should be slightly crossed. Okay, so now you can see the letters hanging letter effect has been created. If you just need to increase the line thickness, you can just increase the line weightage, so it will be look like this. This is how I just create the same hanging text effect on the Canva. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.